Cisco is in the process of transforming our process and tools to provide exceptional customer experience. Part of this transformational journey is changing our RMA creation process. In this video, we are going to review the customer handoff RMA creation experience. When our logistics or technical support team generate an RMA, they need to collect all of the RMA details from our customers before starting the RMA. This means our customers need to compile and document the RMA details in an email or read this information over the phone. We are excited about this new customer handoff experience as it will eliminate the back and forth between customer and Cisco when an RMA is needed. For our innovative team to implement a valuable and robust RMA creation process, we partnered with real users, such as our stakeholders, customers, and partners, to capture their insights. We studied how users work, what they do, and listened to what they wanted. After working with these groups, we were able to transform our RMA creation process. The RMA creation process now consists of 4 steps, and using the customer handoff process will allow Cisco to start creating the RMA and then give you as the customer the ability to go online and finish the RMA. Let's walk through these steps. Step 1, part information. Our Cisco Logistics or TAC groups will start creating the RMA using the part information, then add the failure code and failure description. Once Cisco has filled out the part information, they will have the option of either completing the order or sending the RMA to you. As mentioned, sending the RMA to you would remove the need for you to provide the site information and delivery details through email or phone to Cisco, allowing you to go directly into the RMA and add the information yourself. It is important to remember that when an RMA is being raised and it's your Cisco user ID that's being used, you are the only authorized person that can finish creating the RMA when it's handed off to you by Cisco. Let's walk through the customer handoff process together. Once Cisco Logistics or our technical support group have completed step 1, part information, and handed off the RMA to you, you will receive an email in your inbox. At this stage, the customer can click on Complete Your RMA. This will take you directly into step 2, site information, and you can finish completing your order. At the top of the page, you can see that the RMA creation process now consists of 4 steps. You are on step 2 as highlighted above due to the customer handoff process. The shipping address, as you can see, will auto-populate on the order. You have a couple options. You can leave the shipping address as needed. You can go into each field and modify the address, or by clicking on the button next to Ship to Install that address, you can clear all of the details and enter in something new. Also, your information will show up under Acknowledgement Contact, and you have the option to enter manually in the Ship to contact, and this is the person that's receiving the part. Now, there are situations where you are sending a part to your location, and you're the person that's going to receive the part on site. If that's the case, you can click Same as Acknowledgement Contact, and it will populate your information below. Once all that information is filled out, press Next. You'll be guided through the RMA creation process with automated messages and suggestions, such as this message you see here, which is recommending using the standardized version of the address you selected. I'm going to select Yes, which will take me directly to step 3, delivery details. In delivery details, you can add the delivery instructions, or besides special order instructions, click the drop-down and add in those details. On this page, different fields will populate based on the service level of your order. When all of your information is filled out, click Next. You will now be taken to the last step, which is step 4, Review and Submit. On the screen, you can review all of your RMA details, or by clicking on the Edit button next to each section, go back in and modify. The only step that you will not be able to get into is part information, because that step was entered by Cisco and entitlement has already been verified. Keeping in mind, if you wish to change anything, please feel free to contact our Cisco logistics or our technical support group. Once everything is reviewed and is correct, you can press submit at the bottom. This will bring you to a confirmation page, which will show you all of your RMA details, including your RMA number. The last thing that we want to review is a step in a process that we have built in to the customer handoff experience to ensure the RMA is being created successfully. So we will be sending you reminder emails, and these reminder emails will be sent if you do not create the RMA from the official handoff email that's sent by Cisco Logistics or the technical support group. So we will be sending you 2 reminder emails over the span of 7 days. After 7 days, this RMA will expire. The first reminder email lets you know that the RMA is still waiting to be submitted. The second reminder email lets you know the order is still pending and actually needs to be created by a specific date and time, or it will expire. All you need to do as a customer is click on Complete Your Order, which will take you directly into Step 2, Site Information. We will also send one last and final email after the 7 days has passed, just to let you know that your order is incomplete and has expired. However, if you still need an RMA, you can contact your technical support team back or the logistics team to have that RMA raised. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit the alias that can be located in the Simplify Your Cisco Experience article.